Most fitness professionals know that as every new year approaches, people start to believe the importance of exercising because it relates to weight loss and overall health. Many New Year's Day resolutions are made to start out an exercise program or increase one's level of physical activity. Consistent with International Health, Racquet, and Sports Club Association (IHRSA), quite 12% of gym members take part in January compared to a mean of 8.3% per month for the complete year. New gym memberships also show a rise in March as people start to specialize in the way they need to seem for the summer months. As a licensed fitness professional that works as a private trainer during a corporate gym, it's amazing to ascertain what percentage gym members attempt to achieve their fitness goals on their own with little or no knowledge of sometimes even the way to operate the machines they plan to use. Oftentimes members believe friends that they deem in shape or fit to assist them to reach the perceived level of fitness success they'll have, with no real science behind their exercise routines or programming. What most people fail to understand is that the difference during a person's somatotype can often have an impact on how their body responds to an equivalent exercise done by somebody else with a special somatotype. Aside from consulting with a medical professional before starting any exercise program, it's also important that an initial fitness assessment is conducted by a licensed fitness professional. This assessment should take into consideration an individual's health, fitness background, the present level of activity, previous injuries, surgeries, medications being taken, and any limitations or specific recommendations given by a healthcare professional. These important aspects of a few people are crucial to a fitness professional before any exercise program design. An in-shape friend with no education or knowledge of few scientific approaches to exercising will quite likely not do an initial assessment and will unintentionally coach their friend into a possible injury due to this neglect. One day in January 2020, because of the weather in LA was so nice, I made a decision to vary things up and do an outside workout. As I used to be climbing the Culver City stairs at Baldwin Hills Scenic Park, I crossed paths with several groups of individuals understanding together. There was a gaggle of girls that I have gone by twice and therefore the second time. One among the ladies was obviously not doing well. I watched from afar as 4 fire trucks and 1 ambulance made their high Capitol Hill attempting to return to the present woman's aid. Although I didn't determine exactly what happened to her, it seemed to be an example of a lover pushing another friend past her level of fitness. A classic example of why it's important to rent a fitness professional which will design an individualized program consistent with your fitness level and appropriate for you to possess the success you desire. With the rise in gym memberships per annum and therefore the number of companies, government, and insurance organizations continuing to acknowledge the advantages of health and fitness programs for his or her employees, the necessity for fitness professionals is predicted to extend. Consistent with the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the utilization of fitness professionals is projected to grow 13% from 2012 to 2022, credit Donkey. Surprisingly, with the necessity to be so great and therefore the expected growth within the fitness industry, only about 13.5% of gym members actually cash in of the expertise and services of certified fitness professionals, IHRS. A certified fitness professional has spent a huge amount of your time and energy studying many aspects of the physical body and therefore the systems that it's made from. A number of their coursework includes physiology, anatomy, kinesiology of human movement, nutrition, also as exercise psychology and program design. With this advanced level of data and hands-on experience to assist with implementation, a licensed fitness professional can assist a good range of clients with reaching their fitness goals and having long-term success. I believe it's a disservice you're doing to yourself to possess a gym membership or start any exercise regimen without also consulting with or hiring a licensed fitness professional. Once you plan to hire a licensed fitness professional, inquire about their certifications and knowledge and confirm the person is someone you'll feel comfortable working with. It's important that you simply have an honest relationship together with your certified fitness professional, personal trainer, which you are feeling confident in their ability to assist you to reach your fitness goals. After all, that's what you're paying for, and that I believe you ought to get your money's worth. Remember to form FLO life how of life.